Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing these Apple AirPod 4s. They're relatively new, and this is the one with the noise canceling. So I'm going to unbox them and see if they're worth the money. So let's see what comes inside. So the standard little like manual slash like informational thing. And then here are the actual AirPods. So these are the 4s. They do have the active noise cancellation. It came out to about $180, which I'm not sure if you would think that's worth it, but I actually sold my Airpod Maxes first and then bought these, so they didn't cost too much compared to the Airpod Maxes. I only had the original AirPods, so there's quite a few generations above that one, but the first thing I'm going to say is the case is a lot nicer than the first one. It's a little bit more sleek, has a more kind of like a nicer finish. But if we open it up, this is where the AirPods are. Of course, you can hear a little connection. So this is where it charges and all that. Looks pretty solid. And these are the AirPod 4s themselves. Look a little bit different, but hopefully these have a good sound. The reason I got the noise cancellation is because I do edit a lot of things, so noise cancellation is really good if I'm in a cafe or something. I'm excited to see if it's as good as the AirPod Maxes. I don't think so, because those cover your whole ear. But if it's similar for way less of a price, I would be very impressed. So that's going to conclude the quick unboxing. This is going to be the AirPod 4s with the active noise cancellation. If you are interested in buying it, I will link it in the description. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.